Well, hello everyone. Today I want to highlight the feature of Groove because this is a one tool that you may need in your business. I'm not saying this because I am promoting Groove, but because I use it. I use it for the fact that it has everything I need. You can build website, you can sell products, you can automate your email, you can create a course and have your classes here and have your membership here. You can create a video, which as you can see, it's all here. So I use this one, and if you are wanting to create your website as you build your brand, here is one tool that I would recommend to you. So as you can see, here is the group pages, which is the website that you can create for your business. And here is group sell, where you can sell physical, oh no, not physical product, but digital product. And then Groove Mail, which is the mail email automation. You can automate your email here. You can send email. And then you have the Groove Member, which is when if you're a course creator, content creator, and you want to sell a course, then you can do it here too. And you can have the members where they can access it. And then the Groove Video, where you can create your video, and that's how they watch your course, part of it. And also there's a Groove Blog that you can, as you build your brand, a blog would be really helpful. And then a Groove Cart, where you can have your e-commerce store. And another one you can use is the Groove Webinar. So all these are in this tool. If you join as a free account, some of this feature may not be available to you. However, if you are just starting, since you want to use the free one, it's a good way to start. Learn a few things about website and put everything you envision about your business. Because a lot of times, if you're starting, there might be a lot of times when you want to use only certain things. However, if you're already in the business and you already know what you want, you already have an idea of what you want to create, then by all means, it's a good idea to upgrade, because you will save a lot of money, I tell you. So anyway, with all this feature here, it will save you a lot of time, a lot of money, plus everything is in one place, so it's very convenient. And if you look on this left side, if you go up here, it will show all the features. Now, if you just look here, which is the home, this is the home. And then you have the marketplace, where if you have something to sell, it will also show in the marketplace. And there's an app store. There's our services. Here are, let's see what is the app store. So multi-vendor marketplace. So this is something that you can benefit from. And then services. These are services provided by Groove that you can use, but you don't have to if you already are set in place. But if not, then this would be a good place for you as well. And then we have the events and workshop. This is for Groove. They have the convention and cruise that is a yearly event. Two, where you can meet like-minded people who are also in the same business that you want to go to, and so on. There's all kinds of um, all kinds of benefits for you if you're starting or if you already have your business and you want to expand. So the way to do that is to just click on upgrade and it will let you upgrade. And then you can also, the good part is you can also have a group of, you can create your own affiliate. So if somebody wants to promote your product, then you can do that here. So right now, as you can see, I only have these 3 items. Website I created for a free account. You can create 3 sites and you can have a domain and you can connect them all. It's easy. So anyway, this is just an introduction for Groove that I have used and I am really happy with it for now. So that's it. And if you have questions, please let me know, comment below, and I will get back to you. Thank you.